Hey, Goencho, किती म्हणतात बाबोडानो किती म्हणतात आयज आम्ही react करतले not actually react आयज आम्ही we'll try to search for Konkani rappers, okay, so stay tuned. Come back after the intro. Pottu nahi aata, I'm waiting for you.
Hey, what's up? Easy D's in the house. Easy D, Masoki boss. Why?
अरे ये ले बरे पत्तू. Thank you for coming back. Thank you. Sorry to तुम्ही my simple words. यार subscribe करूँगा, subscribe करा, like करा, comment करा, share करा. Do it. Just do it. Okay. So yeah, let's go. New Konkani Rap Song 2021. Okay. अरे hello, Easy D in the house. Auto. Then comes Kabir Kips. It's just because that's how I'm searching for it. I don't know. Kabir Kips Moraes. EHR Music with 3.1k views. Magis Waha. Eddie Fernandez. Okay. Psycho Company Rap Song. Then Velros Pereira is coming in this Konkani song, but I don't know whether it's a rap song. No, I don't think so, it's a rap song. King's Clan, chill. I think I need to see this. What's this? Ami Goenka Konkani party song, Waking Grunt. Waking Grunt is there, that means always rap, right? Oh, and the Goa rap cipher is there. Sumyoki, INH. Ukdas. Oh, one day ago, 333. This is what Vic said Suarez. Oh, I need to go check this. It's in 4K as well. This looks interesting. Okay. Magid Bajeha, which is Mognaka, then Black and White Piso. No, man, this is not a Konkani rap song, for God's sake. K-Town Flow, Carver Town, A Cruise. Oh, this guy's song was there, which was like around 64k views or something. Then you have Bongisio, and I'm to have a Baba V, and you walk for it's always come on. But this is actually down south Goa. Moje Kidya Kituna Konkani style love song. To Zai Maka Navan featuring Waking Grunt. Okay, can be termed as a rap video. I think so. Searching for official Konkani song 21 is there. Piyopachi Garazasa Konkani rap. Goa Stastic, the Corona song. Okay, 887 views 3 weeks ago. Bhatti Food. Alison Gonzalez, Think I'm in Love. I think he sang this in English, yeah. My dad was singing in English. Corona Scam. Nah. My Oogie Boss Easy D. For Good Side 2 Concrete Love Song. Vista Tuka. Gold Rapper Mom. See, I cannot just go and click on those videos right now. They have worked hard for this video, right? They have worked hard, they have put some money in and all that. And it's not right for me without taking permission to go and react. So, I got react kustona. Like Mogzala Maka, 1.4 million views one year ago. Waking Grunt and Allison. Oh man, this song. Mogzala Maka. Mog Zala Maka. Something like that. Salis Tuka Betola. Agnello Lobo. Nah. It's a Konkani song. Baba B is here again. Mog Mazo Konkani. Everything is Mog Mazo. Me Amor. Nats by Nats. Are? Nats by Nats. By Me Amor. Okay. I think I've seen this. I think I was a nice banger. Concrete rap song. Eddie Fernandez. I need to make sure that I react to this guy, but let me ask whether I can. Apotun, Baba Putun. And here we go. Despacito. Why do cover? Why do a cover, man? Come on. Come on. Don't. Be original. मागीर कोंकणी song. Kaina. Vajax. This was making Grunt creepy 2.1k views. Okay. आणि वो बाबा भी रे पर ये क्या लगी रहे? Tisha. Mark Revlon. I heard a lot about this guy. Actually, not even I've heard him sing also even in the Breaking Grams song on top. I used to go up party song. Mark was amazing singer. And he also praise love her. But again, I think that Konkani song 2021 that is coming in here. Mog Kela Tuto, new Konkani song. Why man? Mog. Poya kitle Mogat. Arthur, Kaina, Konkani. Did I put Mog? No. Despacito. Borek me hota. No, it's not a rap song. So, Konkani rap song Mog Tuzo. Inga putun Mog Tuzo elo. Yo Moga. 3 4 Mog Mazo 4 5 Mog आणि Mog 5 झाले 5 4 2 okay 5 माझो आहे हा Mog 5 2 जाय माका माझे किती चिंता आहे गोचा रिॲक्शन Kani, Message of Burgo, K-Town Flow, Piso, Mog Naka. Even I'm guilty. Goa Rap Cypher, Eastland, Goa, talking slow, talking rap song, and the outro. Okay, guys. So now you know the level, right? Moog, Moog is a very important word for us in Konkani songs. I think in Konkani music. So even I'm guilty. In that same list you saw around 5 Moog Zai, Moog Dala Tuzo, आणि Moog Naka, आणि Moog. So तुमको जरा वो वीडियो बहुत लागला झाल्या लाइक करा शेयर करा सब्सक्राइब करा and if you want to see me react to anybody's song please let me know the artist name in the comment section आणि आम्हाला तुमका contact करता and I will see how I can take this forward. Okay, peace. I love you guys. Go song camera